Imagine this. You moved to the United States after 2024. You followed every single rule. You filed every form on time. You paid every fee. You showed up to every interview. You did everything right. And then one morning, you wake up and everything is gone. Your visa canceled. Your work permit invalid. Your green card application and rejected. Not because you did anything wrong. Not because you have a criminal record. Not because you lied on any form. But because of one new rule that USC has quietly put into effect that nobody told you about. This is not a scare tactic. This is the reality for thousands of immigrants who came to the United States after 2024. And in this video, I am going to reveal exactly what this new rule is, who it affects, why USCIS is doing this, and most importantly, what you can do right now to protect yourself before it is too late. Watch this video all the way until the end, because the most important information is coming at the very end of this video.
Registro intro 045 dream.
Warm smile, confident, professional tone. Hello everybody and welcome back to USA Immigration News. My name is Your Name, and on this channel I bring you the latest US immigration updates, policy changes, and breaking news every single week, so that you always stay informed and protected. I have been following US immigration policies and helping people understand their rights for many years now. And I have to tell you, what is happening right now in 2026 is unlike anything I have seen before. The rules are changing fast. And if you immigrated to the United States after 2024, this video is specifically for you. Before we get into it, if you are watching my videos and you are not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to this channel right now. Click the notification bell so you never miss a critical update like this one. Because in 2026, missing one immigration update can cost you everything you worked for. Now, let's get into it. So, what exactly is this new rule that is canceling everything for immigrants overnight? Let me explain it to you clearly, because USCIS is not making this easy to understand. They are burying this information in legal language that most immigrants will never read. But that is exactly why I am here. Here is what is happening. Starting in 2025 and accelerating heavily into 2026, the US government introduced what they are calling an enhanced vetting and review policy. Now, what does that mean in simple words? It means that USCIS is going back and re-reviewing cases that were already approved. Yes, you heard that correctly. Cases that were already approved, people who already had their visas, people who already had their work permits, people who were already living legally in the United States. USCIS is going back and reviewing those cases again under the new rules that were not in place when those cases were originally approved. And if your case does not meet the new standards, they can cancel your status. They can revoke your visa. They can deny your green card application overnight. Now, the question everyone is asking is, who exactly is being affected by this new rule? And the honest answer is, if you immigrated to the United States after 2024, you need to pay very close attention. Let me break this down into specific groups. Number one, people from the 39 banned countries. If you were born in any of the 39 countries that are currently on USCIS's restricted list, your case is being held and reviewed under this new enhanced vetting policy. And here's the part that shocks most people. It does not matter what passport you carry today. Even if you were born in one of these countries, but you now hold a passport from a different country, USCIS is still applying the born-in rule. They go by where you were born, not what passport you currently hold. I have seen this happen to real people. A client, a doctor born in one of these countries, she has been living in the United States for years. She has a valid work visa. She did everything correctly. But because she was born in a restricted country, her green card application is now stuck, completely frozen, with no clear answer on when it will move forward. Number two, people who entered after January 2024. If you entered the United States after January 2024, USCIS is applying much stricter background checks to your case than they did before. They are checking your social media going back 5 years. They are checking your financial history. They are checking your travel history. They are running more detailed biometric checks, and they are connecting directly with police databases across the United States and in other countries. If anything comes up, even a minor issue, your case gets flagged for further review. And further review means more delays, sometimes months, sometimes longer. Number three, work permit holders. Here is something that is hurting a lot of people right now. Before, USCIS was giving work permits for up to 54 months. That gave people enough time and security to plan their lives. Now, they have cut work permit validity down to 18 months or less. Why are they doing this? Because they want more opportunities to revet you. Every time you come back to renew your work permit, they run the new checks on you again. This is causing massive stress for immigrants who are trying to keep their jobs and maintain stability for their families. Now, a lot of people ask me, why is USCIS doing this? Why are they going back and reviewing old cases? Why are they making everything so much harder? And I want to give you an honest answer. The government's stated reason is national security. They say they want to make sure that everyone living in the United States went through proper and thorough vetting, and they created something called Operation Paris, which is a new initiative led by the USCIS Vetting Center that was launched in early 2026. Operation Paris involves additional background checks, re-interviews of applicants who were already interviewed, merit reviews of asylum cases, refugee cases, and adjustment of status cases. All of these things are causing further delays and leaving immigrants with no clear answers about what is happening with their cases. Now, I am not here to argue whether this policy is right or wrong. That is a political debate. What I am here to do is to make sure that you understand what is happening so that you can protect yourself. I want to share some real situations with you because I want you to understand that this is not just a policy on paper. This is affecting real families, real people, real lives. It's number one. A nurse working in an ICU unit in the United States. She came here after 2024 on a work visa. She was born in one of the 39 restricted countries. She has been waiting for her green card for over 7 months. Her case is completely frozen. She cannot move up in her career. She cannot apply for certain positions, all because of this new review policy. Case number 2. A young man, an F1 student, who came to the United States in 2024 to study. He had a completely clean record. No issues, no problems. But his social media from 3 years ago had some posts that were flagged during the new vetting process, posts that he had completely forgotten about, posts that he never thought would cause any problem. His visa application had delayed for months. Still waiting for a final answer. Case number 3, a married couple. The husband is a U.S. green card holder. The wife immigrated after 2024. They filed for her adjustment of status together. Everything looked perfect. But because the wife was born in a restricted country, their case was put on hold. They are still waiting. Their life on pause. These are not rare cases. These are happening every single day across the United States. And if you immigrated after 2024, you need to take this seriously. Before I continue, if you are watching this video right now and you find this information helpful, please take just 2 seconds and subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell because I release these updates every single week. And in 2026, you cannot afford to miss even one of them. Also, drop a comment below right now and tell me, are you affected by this new rule? What country are you from? What visa category are you in? I read every single comment, and I will do my best to answer your questions. Now, let's continue, because the most important part is coming next. Okay, so now that you understand what is happening, let me tell you exactly what you can do to protect yourself right now. Number 1, do not ignore delays in your case. If your case has been sitting without any movement, do not just wait and hope it resolves itself. Check your case status on the USCIS website regularly. If you see no movement for 3 to 4 months, you need to take action. You can submit a case inquiry through the USCIS website. You can contact your local congressional representative and ask them to make an inquiry on your behalf. This actually works in many cases. Congressional inquiries put pressure on USCIS to review and move cases forward. Number 2, check your social media right now. Go through every single social media account you have: LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit. Go back 5 years. Look at every post. Look at every comment. Look at every page you follow. Look at every group you are part of. Ask yourself honestly, could anything here be misunderstood? Could any post be seen as hostile toward the United States? Could any comment be linked to any extremist view? If you find something that concerns you, do not delete it on your own. Speak to an immigration attorney first, because deleting posts without guidance can actually make your case worse, not better. Number 3, gather your documents early. Do not wait until USCIS asks for documents to start collecting them. Start right now. Gather your tax returns, gather your pay stubs, gather your bank statements. Gather any evidence that shows your life in the United States: leases, joint accounts, utility bills, anything that proves you are living legally and contributing to this country. The more organized you are, the faster your case can move when USCIS finally reviews it. Number 4, consider filing a national interest exception. If your case has been put on hold because you are from one of the 39 restricted countries, there is an option available to you. It is called the national interest exception. This was originally part of the Trump immigration proclamation, and it allows certain immigrants to request that USCIS lift the hold on their case if their presence in the United States serves the national interest. What qualifies? Medical professionals, people facing financial hardship, people with serious medical conditions, people in critical industries. Now, USCIS has not given clear guidance on exactly how to file this exception, but it is being filed. And in some cases, it is working. If you believe you qualify, consult with an immigration professional about how to move forward with this option. Number 5, do not leave the United States without advance parole. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see immigrants make right now. If your green card application is pending and you leave the United States without getting advance parole first, your entire application can be canceled automatically, immediately. I have seen this happen too many times. People travel home for a family emergency. They come back and they find out their case has been abandoned. Please, before you travel anywhere, make sure you have your advance parole document approved. If you do not have it, do not leave. Now, I know this video has covered a lot of difficult and serious information, and I want to make sure I leave you with some hope as well, because it is not all bad news. Here's what I can tell you. USCIS is lifting holds on cases every single day. They are doing it case by case. They are prioritizing certain groups, including immediate family members of U.S. citizens, people who have passed the Operation Paris vetting, and people whose countries are considered lower risk. The May 2026 Visa Bulletin also showed significant movement forward in multiple family-based and employment-based categories. This tells us that the system is moving. Slowly, but it is moving. If your case is stuck, do not assume it is lost. Do not give up. Keep pushing, keep making inquiries, keep gathering your documents, and explore every legal option available to you, because the people who stay informed and who take action are the ones who get their cases approved. So, let me summarize everything we covered today. If you immigrated to the United States after 2024, here is what you need to know. Number 1, USCIS has introduced new enhanced vetting rules that can affect cases that were already approved. Number 2, if you are from one of the 39 restricted countries, your case is being held under the born-in rule, regardless of what passport you carry today. Number 3, social media is now being checked for all visa categories, including fiancé visas, for the first time ever.
Number 4,
work permits are being shortened to 18 months, so renew yours at least 6 months in advance. Number 5, you have options: national interest exception, congressional inquiries, and legal action. All of these are being used successfully right now. Do not panic, but do not wait either. Stay informed. Take action. Protect your future. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more immigrants who need this information. Drop your questions and your situation in the comments below. I read every single one. Subscribe to USA Immigration News so you never miss a critical update. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.